How to choose the best pharmacy management software for new store owners. Let's go through the overview. The healthcare industry is rapidly expanding. People spend tens of thousands of dollars on medication to stay healthy. Everyone wants to establish and run a pharmaceutical business successfully and make a lot of money in a short amount of time. In today's customer-oriented and data-driven worlds, pharmacy retailers' biggest woe is lack of management. Their existing systems only monitor sales and transactions and are incapable of adapting to the changing retail environment and consumer demand.
However, if you go with technology, such as pharmacy management software, you can accomplish your dream. After that, it will be easy to manage your store.
Let's learn more about pharmacy management software, and what does it do for you. As a startup, you may be using Excel for managing your business because there will be a shortage of budgets or maybe any other reason. Honestly, Excel sheets are unfit for agile business activities, and pharmacy management software or point-of-sale software for pharmacy business plays a role where spreadsheets leave off. PMS is developed for providing digital and electronic assistance to pharmacies and pharmacists. PMS accepts payments, manages customers, and confirms or approves purchase orders. Retail, clinical, and independent pharmacists are all using these solutions. PMS is a point-of-sale software specifically made for medical stores. In this pharmaceutical industry, pharmacy management software, PMS, is also called as pharmacy POS systems or only POS. Let's see some key features that are important to look for while buying POS app, why each of them is important for any pharmacy store owner or manager. Inventory management. One of the most prominent points of PMS is an inventory management system. In a pharmacy, especially where you're managing front-end inventory and drugs, it is essential to control your over-the-counter, OTC, inventory. The point-of-sale system keeps track of inventory, allowing you to see the exact quantity of an item you have on hand. Signature capture and workflow integration. When patients pick up their prescriptions, the cashier scans the barcode. POS software does more than read an item code and spit out a price. It communicates with your pharmacy management software to ensure that the patient's prescriptions are available for pickup. POS systems make you more competitive. Technology evolves very fast. The latest tools, such as pharmacy management software, help you stay competitive. Precious tips from experts to get perfect pharmacy management software. Today, point-of-sale, POS, systems are important to the success of pharmacy retail business. Let's see which elements should be considered at the time of choosing the correct PMS for your business. Ease of use. The PMS which you are choosing must be easy to use by everyone. Reporting. Medical stores just need a robust dashboard. Analysis is the only way to achieve success. Support. No matter how technically savvy you are, it's good to have access to customer support. Pci Compliance. Any pharmacy management must follow data security standards established by the payment card industry, PCI. Integration. It's best to explore pharmacy management software that integrates seamlessly with third-party vendors. Now we are moving ahead with steps that are required post-choosing any POS. Improve the patient experience. Your pharmacy can use several internal tools and applications to promote store with patient engagement through POS. Minimize dispensing errors. Use pharmacy management software to minimize dispensing errors with warning messages in your existing workflow. Drill down reporting capabilities. You need insight into your daily operations for business efficiency. Get crucial reports, including drill down reporting. Use filter and get customized reports. Inventory syncing and optimization tools. Link your pharmacy management software with the in-person workings of your pharmacy, including inventory management. so that you can get real-time statistics. Important takeaways. Use POS software in your day-to-day work for improving the patient experience, compliance tracking, inventory syncing and its optimization in real time, and many more. Be flexible in running your business the way you want. Set the right kinds of loyalty and promotions to attract customers and sales. Access clear insights from anywhere. Create a unique customer experience. Stay on top. In short, you can achieve your goal by choosing pharmacy management software for your business. Ari POS, an end-to-end retail management system, will help you with that. Start your free trial today. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe. For more details visit to our site www.arirms.com.